Hey guys, I'm Kyle.bargfrede with MarineMax here in Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri, and this is the 2015 G23 that we just traded for. If you guys like the video, make sure you leave us a comment and hit like down below. Also, if you want to come check this boat out, my contact information is below also. So why don't we take a look real quick. We got the blue and the red and white combination. Gray sea deck. 4 tower speakers, bimini top, board racks. Great used boat, only has 60 hours on it. Let's jump inside and take a look. All right, as we come in, you'll see you got a great walk through the back here, straight into the boat. With the layout here, you got wraparound seating as well as reversible seating. Here are the board racks, Roswell tower speakers. As we move forward, nice helm layout. Link screen is to the right so you can have easy access. Great visibility through the windshield as well. Got your digital throttle, flip up bolster. Makes it really easy if you want to get a higher vantage point. Big ski mirror makes it really easy to see your riders. Coming to the bow, flip up armrest. You got the reversible bow filler cushion. Right now we got the sea deck or you can flip it around and make it a nice playpen area in the bow as well. Here we got the aft of the boat with the pull back seat. Real easy to get to. Now everyone can see what's going on behind the boat. Once again, if you want to take a closer look at this boat, look me up, Kyle.bargfrede at Lake of the Ozarks, MarineMax. Contact information is below. Thank you very much.